all the new entrepreneurs, students, and stalwarts like Raman sir, Magadevan, and Mr. Suresh sir. They are all helping this IPA Chennai chapter to the next level. So I really thank one and all for your valuable support and giving an opportunity for this presenting this presentation on a recent development in plastic extrusion machines. As you're aware, Cabra Extrusion Technique is a coal-side group. We were there almost 50 years plus in plastic industry. We have supplied more than 10,000 installation in India and abroad. And we have a lot of very vetted customers and valuable customers having machines, more than 50 machines, 60 machines, and they are known for their brand and for their quality of products also. So like Supreme, Astral, Ashirwad, they're all big names. So whoever is having these facilities, machines, latest machines, they can able to produce wonderful products acceptable to the market with today's highly competitive environment. Number one. Number two, we are also making machines for packaging lines, multi-layer lines, and plastic sheet lines for various application like pharma and FMCG packaging. All wherever this is required, this plastic sheet, we have a multi-layer lines, 3-layer, 5-layer, even up to we are able to make 7-layer also. We have a good facilities and factories in Daman, full-fledged latest facility, and we have a collaboration with Battenfeld, Germany for extrusion lines, pipe extrusion lines. So whatever the German, and based on this, we could be able to export to Middle East, African countries, and this technology, whatever Germany able to incorporate, we are able to make in India. So I'm able to, our factory is in Daman. Anybody wanted to visit our factory, maybe after COVID, anytime you tell us, we can organize for your any demonstration or any technical knowledge sharing can be done at our training center in Daman. We have full-fledged R&D department and full-fledged customer feedback support department, so that we are able to make customer-friendly company. So whatever customer complaint, it will be addressed on priority. So these are about our company, about Cabra Group. So I'm going for a presentation, the latest trends, what is happening in the plastic industry. So next, I'm going for next, another one, next slide. Hello?
Sir, this is one or
second slide. You have to.
No, second slide. Yeah. So I changed it.
Next, move.
Has it changed it, sir?
No, I'm not able to change it. You try it otherwise. It's coming now. I'm going to cover these topics: HTP extrusion, PVC, and recent developments on thin screw compounding lines, sheet extrusion lines. These are all our new developments. That is, we have started with the mono series, maybe up to 200 to 250 kilo per hour machine. Then we have started with the Solux model. Then Solux model for higher output, even up to 1,400, 1500 kgs per hour on PE extrusion line. Pipe diameter starting from 630 mm to 1 meter up to 1.1 meter diameter. Then internal pipe cooling. These are all new technology. Then thin strand extrusion. HDPE, we can even produce 2 pipes at a time to optimize the output. Then we have a HDPE double wall corrugated pipe. This is, you might have seen for drainage, sewerage, and electrical cable ducting also. Again, in PVC extrusion, thin extruders, socketing machine, material handling automation that my colleague is going to handle over, and CPVC pipe extrusion line. This is for next level of plumbing pipes, hot water application. So then we have compounding lines and extrusion lines. Next, another more.
Yes, sir. Sir, is it getting changed or not? I
No,
got
I'm not
changed.
changing. I'm unable to change.
Yeah.
Ah.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Now this, you see, there are various models I just displayed for your technical knowledge purpose. Granules are feeding. That granules are being crushed into powder, and it is in next stage you will be able to save power on this, because most of the action taken place in the higher friction, and that because of groove you are able to crush the material. So this is a technology compared to old technology. This new technology being, because high friction, you have a lot of heat being generated. That barrel portion is simultaneously you have to cool and maintain the same temperature also. We should not increase the temperature level. So these are all technology-wise developments made in on P extrusion lines. So next. So again, there are a lot of material, P100, P80 grade of material. So this is next. You can see this again in same 45. We are able to produce 450 to 500 kgs per hour also. Motor capacity you can see 132 kilowatt. Screw diameter we are not changed. Only L by D ratio from 37 to we made it to 40:1. Then again next model 60 mm is a screw diameter. We are able to produce 800 kgs per hour. And other model we have 75. The motor capacity is 315. The output will be around 1100 to 1200 kgs per hour. Then there is a model Solux 90. The motor capacity is 370. The output range is between 1300 to 1400. So this is a real today's, because earlier I have seen in 20 years back for 1300 kilo we used to 150 mm screw diameter. That takes more heating load, more power also. That means your running cost on the older generation machines will be very high. Now today's scenario, I already said, you have to save on power. Raw material cost is same, labor cost is same. You cannot reduce on that side. Only you have to, for the productivity, you have to reduce the power cost. That is a key factor for running today's highly competitive running industry. So people have to select a good line with a good output range, and depends on your pipe diameter. Next, Nandakumar. Next. So these are all again diodes. We have various variable diode designs. There are for better mixing, because normally HTP pipes with a black color, it has to be blending properly. So we have lattice die, spiral lattice, and spiral mandrel type. So there are so many. Most of the customer prefer this spiral plus lattice VSI. So this is having a very good design of controlling the material and optimum. You can maintain the flow uniformly. So this design is being developed by German. So it has been introduced in India also. We already supplied a number of lines, like a customer called Mega Fibers, Mega Engineering. They have a lot of government orders to execute this Cholavaram water project, and a lot of irrigation sector. They have taken this big order, big tender. Next. And the one next. Yeah. So you can see the internal construction of the diode. So there are various spots assembled, machined with perfection, and assembled nicely so that there should not be any leakage because of the higher output. And it's a perfectly machined and aligned properly. So basically, P100 is a very toughest material. So you can process P100, P80, or P63 also, whichever grade. But this diode is suitable for all sort of material. As of today, P100 being developed in all over, like our Boroge and Reliance. P100 is today's material grade available in India. So that material also can be able to process this in diode. Next. So you can see the wall thickness variation on, because we have a scanner. The scanner, we have checked up with all the diode model. So you can see the wall thickness control better, very average in lattice basket diode. Spiral type also there is a lot of variation, but spiral plus lattice VSI, you have excellent distribution, thickness distribution, so that there will not be, you can measure it any time of the production. There will be a very close tolerance, so that you can save on material, on wall thickness control, as well as your end product pipe to pipe will be almost same, or maybe instead of 10%, there will be 1 or 2% within the tolerance you can able to produce the pipes. Next. So these are all typical extruder diagram shown to you. So there is a panel, then material, this is a feed upper top of the portion. There is a wall thickness control measurement is there. Then the backside motor and heavy duty gearbox. This is a twin pipe extrusion. You can see two diodes. Basically, this is for smaller diameter. So if you are having a lot of production, a lot of order requirement for 63 and 90 mm pipe, so you can produce two pipes, so that you can able to supply the you can execute the order in a shorter period. So that is the motto of this machine. Simultaneously, you can save power and labor and space also. Today's space is a big constraint. If you are having, then up to 63 means you have to go for coiling the pipe also. That also require very huge space. So that nowadays people are opting for thin pipe in most of the cases. Next. So I already mentioned small diameter pipe, utilization of extruder capacity. So if you are a bigger extruder, you can utilize maximum floor space. That means I told you, 40% will be a saving of floor spacing and power saving. Simultaneous production of two different pipe size. Again, you can, instead of saving of labor also 50%. That means finally the customer or the end producer will have a price, and performance is also a big saving to the customer. Next. We have made a small comparison, single strand model and a twin strand. What is a energy bill, so that you can have a practical how much you are going to save. Almost specifications are, both the models are same. Solax and downstream only, instead of a single diode, we are going offering for a twin diode and twin tank, all twin downstream. So finally, you see investment of one machine is costing around for two lines 1 crore 15 lakhs. Here, twin line is costing here you are getting 8,20,000, 15% saving per annum on the power bill. Next.